Well, here's everybody's favorite elevator at WCC. It's broken. No surprise. But is it on the second floor or on the fifth floor? Let's go find out. Apparently the elevator doesn't know what floor it's on. And yes, we're taking the man-powered elevator. Must be time the door issue. This week it's broken. Ah, it's on the second floor. But I can't tell if it's on the second floor or on the fifth floor. Look at how bad that leveling is. I can't really see it. Yeah, there's the buttons. It's not going anywhere. Oh, look at that. It says out of service. Oh, that's what it means. Yeah. But I can't fit the out of service. But the S looks like a 5. But, yeah. This elevator's broken. Big surprise there. Alright. I guess for a bonus, we'll go up the science building elevator. Because I want to go to the 5th floor right now anyway. Just to look at something for class. This elevator, on the other hand, is the opposite. It usually works. I think I like this one better anyway. Here it is. We'll ride it up to the 3rd floor. Used to have the Lexan buttons. Alright, we'll end the video on 3. Just the 5th floor of the Academic Arts building. And that'll be it.